ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, third one name any 2 public sector of banks, fourth one write the meaning of cooperative banks. Next 5 markers questions nodona. First one write a short note on development banks, second one distinguish between public sector and private sector banks, third one explain the banker customer general relationship, fourth one types of banks operating in India. ಇವಾಗ 10 markers questions ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ explain the evaluation and history of banking in India, second one discuss the functions of commercial banks in detail, third one explain the types of relationship between banker and customer. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 2 ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಒಂದೇದು ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಡಿಸ್ನೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೆಕ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿ 2 ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್. Next 5 markers questions. First one write the duties of paying banker, second one what are the statutory protections available to all collecting banker, third one write a note on wrongful dishonour of check. 10 markers questions nodana. First one explain the responsibilities and precautions to be taken by a paying banker, second one question define collecting banker, what are his duties and liabilities, third one describe the legal status and role of the collecting banker. Next unit 3 negotiable instruments and endorsements. 2 markers questions nodana. First one define a promissory note, second one what is check transaction system, third one what is crossing of check. Next 5 markers questions nodana. Write the features of a negotiable instrument, second one write a note on types of check crossing, third one what is endorsement, mention its types. Next 10 markers questions nodana. First one explain the meaning, characteristics and types of negotiable instruments. Second question differentiate between promissory note, bill of exchange and check. Third one explain the types of crossing and its significance. Next unit 4 nodana. Opening and operating of deposit accounts. 2 markers questions nodana. First one what is a joint account, second one define HUF, third one who can open a minors accounts. Next 5 markers questions. What is the procedure to open a non-resident account, second one explain the steps to open an account for a partnership firm, third one write a note on closure of accounts. Next 10 markers questions nodana. First one explain in detail the procedure of opening and operating accounts for various types of account holders, second one describe the types of deposit accounts and how they are operated, third one write the process involved in KYC during account opening. Next unit 5 digital banking services. 2 markers questions. First one what is UPI, second one define digital banking, third one give any 2 examples of mobile wallets. 5 markers questions. First one what are the advantages of digital marketing. First question what are the advantages of digital banking, second one write a short note on RTGS and NEFT, third one mention the features of contactless payment systems. 10 markers questions. First one explain the evaluations and types of digital banking services, second one discuss various digital fund transfer systems, third one what is the role of artificial intelligence in digital banking. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.